Okay, welcome to another training. In this training, I just this morning someone just called me about her system having booting problem, and I had to go on WhatsApp chat with her to see how the problem will be resolved. So this is the chat. He said, "Good morning, sir." Okay, I now told her to send the chat, to send the error message through chat, WhatsApp chat, and she sent the error message, and you can see it here. It's talking about boot device not found. It's a boot device error. You can see the error message. So, and I replied to her, and she said, "This is what my system is showing." Okay, the system refused to start this morning, and we're on chat to see how to resolve it. And I responded and I said, okay, that system is not seeing your hard drive, because when you said boot device not found, the hard drive is a boot device, so the system is not detecting the hard drive. That's why it's not coming up. And I said, please snap the computer, let me see the type. I wanted to be sure of the type of computer she's using before I provide solution. And she snapped the computer. I can see there, this is an HP computer, probably a G3 system. Okay, so having established that the system is an HP system, I went ahead and said, okay, I will send you a video. Although this is not the same error message, but they have the same problem of hard drive. I did a video 2 days ago on you can see the video here, resolving system boot issue, start PC over IPv4. This is actually the video I sent that helped to resolve this problem, where a system does not recognize the hard disk while booting. So I sent that video to her, and I said the error is not the same, but the problem is almost the same. Let's see if it can resolve this one too. I sent it to her. She said, okay, sir. And after like I said it on 8:56, around 9:06 a.m. she replied, "Thank you so much. God bless you. My system is up now." This is somebody who does not know much, who is not a professional in using the system. By mere watching the video, she was able to resolve her system. And she even commented on the video, on this video, the video I did 2 days ago. I can see the comment here when I went to the comment section. This is the video that helped her to resolve the problem, resolving system boot issue, start PC over IPv4. And can see her comments, favor email. This was so helpful. I was able to follow this process to get my system at the office working. Thank you so much. This is the name, and you can confirm the name there. So it's the same person that actually commented 1 hour ago. So the system is okay and is working, and thanks to this video, resolving system boot issue, start PC over IPv4. I hope you do enjoy the training. You can also try it out when you have boot issue. As long as the hard drive is not bad, it will definitely resolve the issue. Hope you do enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please keep liking and sharing the video. Bye.